Sizing an automatic transfer switch, ATS, is critical for safety and code compliance. While small, residential setups often rely on estimating capacity by simply matching load or generator breaker amperes, our free tool provides the safety, accuracy, and advanced calculation required for large-scale and industrial requirements. It instantly determines the correct amperes rating based on professional guidelines. The calculation is simple but essential. You must input your generator kVA rating and the existing main service breaker amperes, as this represents your maximum current source. Next, enter your system details, including the voltage and whether your setup is single-phase or three-phase. The tool first calculates the full load amperes, Florida, of the generator, then determines the max continuous current needed by finding the largest value between your generator's full power and the utility's main breaker. Finally, it provides your suggested ATS rating in amperes, which includes a safety margin and is rounded to a standard switch size. Get the right equipment every time and use the print report feature to save your data. Click the link below and size your ATS. Need assistance interpreting your results or choosing the perfect machine? Our dedicated service team is available 24/7. Get in touch with us anytime for expert consultation, custom quotes, or detailed technical support to ensure you get the absolute best power solution for your needs. Use our calculator now and get the right power every time.